All right, today I am installing assist bars, assist support bars. So whether you need these in your shower, in our case, we are actually putting them in our outhouse. We got an off-grid property, and we've got some senior parents who could really benefit from assist when using the outhouse. So we're getting these assist bars installed. I'll show you here. Making sure it's nice and even. Now you see here, I attached this plate first with the big nail, and then now we're putting the screws into the wood to support getting up. And then you put the beauty ring back on and looks beautiful. And now I'm getting to the other side here. And beauty ring. Looks awesome. Let's do the other one. All right, so now the grab bars are fully installed, the assist or support bars. So once we finish the outhouse, the toilet will be right here. And to get off, all you're going to do is grab one or both and then pull yourself up. They work great. So really nice set. I love that it's a dual set. Great color, super easy install. They also do come, your instructions, you get mounting instructions, and then also you do get a complete extra set of hardware for the bars. So really great product. I highly recommend.